the first kurti I'm gonna present is this double layered green colored kurti. Sleeves are quartered and the print with the small leaves all over the kurti. Fabric is pure cotton and quite comfortable to wear, as you can see in the video. At the side of the kurti you will get the tangles, as you can see. So this is the best one for the summers. Now the second one I am gonna present is this yellow colored frock style kurti. Sleeves are again quartered and string in the middle, as you can see here. The string is in the combination of black and white and pure cotton fabric, best for summers and affordable price. Now the last one is this combo set kurti with the crepe fabric, as you can see here. The length of the kurti is quite good, as you can see here in the video, and with the short sleeves. In the first one you will get black and grey combination kurti, as you can see here in the video. This is so much soft and so much comfortable. Print are awesome. Now the second one is this check pattern kurti. Here the mixture of many colors, as you can see here, yellow, blue, red, and again this is so comfortable to wear. Length of the kurti is so much good. Half sleeves pattern. Hope you liked my kurti collection, and if you want more haul videos then comment below. I had given the code of all the kurtis in the description box. Check it out. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for the new update. Till then, bye bye.